And the left versus Congress fight continues in Kerala. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has once again lashed out at Rahul Gandhi. Pinarayi Vijayan saying Rahul hasn't done anything to make people believe that he's actually capable of leading India, and rather has a reputation of a leader who's run away from responsibilities at a crucial stage. Pinarayi Vijayan has even gone on to say that Rahul Gandhi is not even trying to take on or oppose Narendra Modi and the Sangh Parivar. What more can the nation expect from Rahul Gandhi, who fled North India and is contesting for the second time in Wayanad? It's a similar attack coming in from both the BJP and the left on Rahul Gandhi here, as Pinarayi Vijayan isn't holding back. He's questioning Rahul Gandhi, saying you haven't done enough to oppose Narendra Modi, who you call as your main opponent. You've left North India and come to Wayanad for a second time to fight from this particular seat. So Pinarayi Vijayan, and remember that the left and Congress are allies outside of Kerala, isn't holding back. He's targeting Rahul over and over again. Let's play out for you his latest comment.
രാഹുലിൽ നിന്ന് ഉണ്ടായിട്ടില്ല എന്നതാണ് ഉയരുന്ന വിമർശനം. പ്രധാന എതിരാളിയെന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം അവകാശപ്പെടുന്ന നരേന്ദ്രമോദിയെയും സംഘ് പരിവാറിനെയും നേരിട്ട് എതിർക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നു പോലുമില്ല. ഉത്തരേന്ത്യയിൽ നിന്ന് ഒളിച്ചോടിയാണ് വയനാട്ടിലെത്തി രണ്ടാം തവണയും രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി മത്സരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ഇതിൽ പരം എന്താണ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാനാവുന്നത്? ഈ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പ് പ്രചാരണം തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ.
Let's bring in Shibimul on this broadcast. Shibi, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, an attack a day essentially at Rahul Gandhi. Today, once again questioning Rahul, saying he's clearly not fit to take on Narendra Modi.
Well, actually in Kerala we've seen this left versus Congress political contest going on for decades. But probably for the first time we've seen this two individuals who are the faces of the two main parties, the Congress and CPIM in Kerala, locking horns. Both Pinarayi Vijayan and Rahul Gandhi engaged in a direct contest during the elections. The left definitely wants to make it an election where the national issues are discussed. And it started with Rahul Gandhi's decision to contest in Wayanad for one more time, which the left was never really keen about. And we first heard Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan attacking Rahul Gandhi, saying that he never speaks on CAA. The party and Rahul Gandhi has never taken a clear stand on the Citizenship Amendment Act, which is a very important political point of discussion in Kerala. But surprisingly, we saw Rahul Gandhi replying to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, saying that why is the ED not after him? He also says that two chief ministers are already in jail, but why is it not happening to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan? So this definitely, is a crack on the India alliance as a whole. Yesterday we heard Priyanka Gandhi also joining in the same as in this discussion, repeating the lines of Rahul Gandhi, saying that why is he only talking about Congress and Rahul Gandhi and not about Prime Minister Modi and the BJP.
That's right. So you've got the Congress claiming that the left is in cahoots with the BJP, and that's why Pinarayi Vijayan is constantly targeting Rahul Gandhi. Thanks very much, Shibi, for joining us with those details. Let's round up for you the number of times we've been seeing of late this all-out fight and war between Rahul Gandhi and Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Chief Minister Vijayan slammed Rahul, saying left leaders aren't scared of jail. And this came after Rahul Gandhi attacked him, asking why the Enforcement Directorate is not acting against Vijayan, claiming that the BJP and left are working together to defeat the Congress in Kerala.
Why is none of this happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? Why is his membership not being taken away?
Rift within India bloc is out in the open. Fireworks in Kerala as Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan are locked in a heated exchange of words. What started as a spat has now turned into a full-fledged confrontation. After Rahul wondered why Vijayan is not behind the bars in corruption cases, the Kerala Chief Minister hit back, saying left leaders are not scared of prison. Vijayan reminded the Congress leader he was jailed during the emergency ordered by Indira Gandhi. Vijayan's scathing attack comes in the backdrop of frequent sniping by Rahul and other Congress leaders, alleging collusion between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Chief Minister.
Why is none of this happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala? Why is his membership not being taken away? Why is he not being interrogated by the ED, CBI and all these? 2 Chief Ministers are in jail. How come none of this is happening to the Chief Minister of Kerala?
Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram.
Prime Minister Modi too hit out at the ongoing feud between Vijayan and Rahul. He stated that Vijayan said such things about Rahul that even he could never say.
केरल के मुख्यमंत्री ने जो शाहजादे को सुनाई है, मैं भी कभी ऐसी भाषा नहीं बोलता हूं, ऐसी भाषा बोली है उन्होंने साथी को। ये हाल है उनका।
The war between the two India allies began when Vijayan cornered Rahul over the Grand Old Party's silence on the Citizenship Amendment Act.
I am 24/7 attacking the BJP. And the Chief Minister of Kerala is 24/7 attacking me. He says he's fighting ideological battle against the BJP. But I know the BJP, because when you fight ideological battle against the BJP, they attack you with everything they have.
The Congress and CPM, allies at the national level, are in a direct fight in all 20 constituencies of Kerala. Bureau Report, India Today.